me just say that I've been saying for a while now that I'm going to start a YouTube channel, and I'm here to tell you, it's a lot harder than it looks, a lot harder. So anybody who posts a video on YouTube, thumbs up, good job, because it's hard. This is my fourth take of this, but anyway, my point in making this video today is, first of all, introduce myself. My name is Becky. I blog at beccalees.com, and I want to start a YouTube channel because I want to help people in their journey to self-improve, to be better people. And I've been doing a lot of reading in books I just love. I've learned so much about, so I kind of want to condense and share with you what I've learned and post it on videos, and I'll hopefully help somebody. So, but before I started doing this YouTube thing for real, I thought I should ask, what do people want to know more about? Like dealing with depression, how, strategies for social anxiety, goal setting. How do you decide what goals and what time frame and what's attainable and what's not? When actually I think just about anything's attainable. Let me look at my notes here. Daily affirmations. They're so important, and I wish someone would have told me this sooner. Starting your day with affirmations like, I'm smart, I'm confident, I can do this, fill in the blank, whatever you want to accomplish that day is really important. At the end of the day, reflect and recognize the things that you accomplished and celebrate those things. Just little tips to add to your life to make your life better. That's what I'm interested in doing. So if you could comment below in the comment section to tell me what things you might like to know more about. I'd really like to read your comments and respond to them. If you would like to subscribe to this channel, you hit the red button that says subscribe, and there's a little bell there. If you hit the bell, it will notify you when I have my first official video up. In the meantime, I would love to hear from you about the kinds of things you'd like to know more about in terms of self-development. Like I said, well, I listed them all, what I've thought of so far. So anyway, again, I'm Becky, and I blog at beccalees.com. Also, if you look at my website, there's a spot there that you can subscribe to my newsletter if you'd like. That would be great. Anyway, I'll be talking to you.